Hey everyone, welcome back, future doctors. Today, we're going to crack the exam code. We're talking about those golden questions, the ones that show up year after year. Seriously. Let's jump right in. Just think about it for a sec. What if you could actually predict some of the questions on your next exam? I mean, how incredible would that be? That's not just a dream, it's a strategy, and that's what we're breaking down today. And look, this isn't some kind of magic trick or a lucky guess. Nope. We've done the homework. We've gone through the official past papers, combing through them to find these exact repeats. So everything you're about to see, it's backed by cold, hard evidence. All right, first up, physics. Let's get you some easy, guaranteed marks right out of the gate. This is one of those questions you have to know, so lean in and pay close attention to this one.
Okay, so take a look at this. It's a classic question on escape velocity from the gravitation chapter. It's all about the link between a planet's radius and its escape velocity. Go ahead, take a second. How would you tackle this one? Now, check this out. Are you ready for this? This exact question showed up word for word in the 2021 paper and then again in the 2022 paper. It's not just a similar idea, it's literally the same problem. If that isn't a giant flashing sign telling you this is important, I don't know what is.
And the correct answer is, drumroll please, 4V, option 4. If you got it, awesome job. And hey, if you didn't, no worries at all, because the explanation is super straightforward. Let's break it down. So here's the simple logic behind it. When you look at the formula for escape velocity with a constant mass density, you'll see that velocity is directly proportional to the radius. It's a one-to-one relationship. So, if the radius gets 4 times bigger, what happens to the escape velocity? Yep, it also gets 4 times bigger. Simple as that. It becomes 4V. Okay, feeling good? Let's keep this ball rolling and jump over to chemistry. You'll see the same pattern here. This is another one of those high-impact questions that can seriously boost your score. Ah, the classic match the following. You know you're going to see these. This one's from chemical bonding, and it's asking about the shapes of a few common molecules. This is how they test a bunch of your core knowledge all at once, really quickly. And you guessed it, it's a repeat. This exact list of molecules and their shapes was on the 2021 paper, and then it showed up again in 2022. This is a perfect example of how just memorizing a few key structures can pay off big time, year after year. So here are the right answers all laid out for you. Seriously, this is a great time to hit pause and take a screenshot. You need to have these shapes memorized. They are just that important. But why does this one keep coming back? Well, all these shapes come from VSEPR theory. You know, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. It's one of the absolute cornerstones of chemistry. It's how we predict the shape of molecules. And because it's so fundamental, examiners love using this format to make sure you know it. Okay, so we've looked at 2 really clear examples, one from physics, one from chem, but what's the bigger lesson here? What's the smart strategy you can actually use from all this? The reason you see questions like these over and over is simple. It's not because examiners are lazy. It's because these questions test foundational concepts. They're not just random facts. They're about core ideas, like knowing your formulas or understanding basic molecular structures. The exams have to cover these basics. So here's your game plan. It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1, get your hands on at least 5 years of previous papers and really analyze them. Step 2, hunt for these patterns. Identify the topics and the types of questions that keep popping up. And step 3, master them. I mean, really, really master those core concepts until you can answer them in your sleep. That, my friends, is how you study smart. I really hope seeing this pattern with your own eyes has been a bit of an aha moment. And trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to smart prep strategies.
So if this was helpful, if you want more of these kinds of exam-winning strategies that give you a real edge, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. We've got so much more content like this planned